Hello and welcome to this week's release notes video from Velt. We have 3 exciting new features we're going to talk about, so stay tuned. So let's first off talk about the version. We're now on version 1.0.87 for the SDK and version 1.0.103 for the types library. So make sure to update. Now onto the features. So the first feature we're going to talk about is the comment thread component. For this feature, we've abstracted out the UI that we use for our comments and made a new component called the comment thread. So with the comment thread component, you can pass in comment data and generate threads that look just like this. And with this flexibility, you can recreate the comment experience in your own style to fit your app. So now let's go on to the next feature. The next feature is a way for you to update your contacts list. And you may be wondering, what is a contacts list? Well, if you checked out our comments, you probably know that you can type @ and you'll see a list of emails that appear here. This is the contacts list. So how do you keep this list updated as your user base changes? Well, we've provided you 2 ways to do that. Now, the first is a server-side way. Here we give you an API endpoint, and then you do a post request and pass in some data. And that data will include a group ID and a list of contacts. Now, anyone who is a part of that group ID will get your updated list of contacts. Now, the next way to do this is a client-side method. Now here, it's very similar. You call client.identify, and then you pass in an object that says replace contacts true. And now you basically can reinitialize your logged in user with a fresh list of contacts that you define, and this way you can keep it dynamically updated. Now onto the last feature. Now the last feature is support for leaving comments on PDF viewers. So if you have an app and it has a PDF viewer, you can now leave comments on it, and the way to enable it is you just add data Velt PDF viewer equals true as an attribute, and now you can leave comments on PDFs in your app. So that's been this week's Velt release notes video. We do this every week, so stay tuned next week, and goodbye.